I started structural steel in 1976, and the customers that I started with in 1976 we're still working with.
We're a company that is built upon providing projects on time and on budget. Any type of industrial projects, whether you're in the power, petrochemical, or mining industries, we're your fabricator.
We do jobs in Europe, Mexico, Dominican Republic, South Africa, and we make a lot of proprietary equipment for different vendors that are in the mining business or the petrochemical business.
I'm Dave London as a quality control inspector. We use companies like Structural Steel because of their experience with low alloy steels, overlay, nickel alloys, etc. They provide a quality service, on-time delivery. They're easy to work with, knowledgeable staff, and qualified employees.
The reason I come to structural steel and plate fabrication is because I can see the quality and workmanship that show up on the job site. I don't have the abilities to rework after I've ordered steel the first time. When it gets to the job site, it's got to be done right.
I've had just an outstanding experience with these guys, and we've hired other fabricators and learned the hard way that, what it cost us to save a few bucks up front.
Structural Steel in the past has always performed to our expectations and given us a quality product.
We have a tremendous amount of capacity from front to finish, whether it's in the design phase, the fabrication phase, stress relieving, painting, shipment. We can turn the whole project.
They're customer-oriented. They know the constraints that I'm under at the job site, and they're willing to work with me however they can.
So we're passionate with our customers as far as doing the job right. We try to make it so we do not have back charges. We work with our customers as far as schedules.
A lot of times our work is done during plant outages, which means that the plant has to shut down while we come in and do our work. If we don't have our steel in place and ready to go when the plant comes up, it costs them hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we have to have people that we can depend on, and we can depend on Structural Steel and Fab.
At Structural Steel and Plate Fabrication, when you come in, you'll see that we're completely different than most of the facilities you go into. We try real hard to keep good housekeeping. We have a tremendous amount of equipment. All of our personnel are trained. They know how to operate it to the equipment's maximum capacity.
They deliver on time and their parts fit. That's the most important thing to us. When we get that steel in the field, it has to fit. Otherwise, we have to do repairs. It's time consuming. It costs us money.
I would recommend Structural Steel, Plate and Fab for anybody in the petrochemical industry who needs quality, on-time delivery, and customer service.
I really enjoy working with Structural Steel and Plate Fabrication because they're always more than willing to work with me in whatever instance I need.
We have a tremendous amount of experience with a whole gamut of different alloys. We're comfortable with 321 stainless, 304, 316, all the Hasterloy, the chromoly stainlesses, 1 1/4 chrome. We've worked with nearly everything you can think of.
As a customer, we require 3 things: price, delivery, and quality. Structural Steel in the past has always performed to our expectations and given us a quality product on time.
A lot of times, you go out for quotes on your steel, and the customer wants to take the low bid. Every time he wants the low price, but that's not always the best bargain. The best bargain is to go with a fabricator that knows what he's doing, that will keep his promises, deliver the steel on time, and when you get it in the field, it fits.
We service power plants. We service Kennecott Copper, Chevron, all the big players in not only the mining and the petrochemical, but the power industries.
It's not uncommon for us when we do work for people like Kennecott. Some of their processes might cost $1 million a day when they're out of service. And so we need to be able to, if it's a furnace part for a reactor part, we need to be able to turn it as fast as possible because they don't want to lose $1 million a day.
When a shop has an AISC certification like we do and an ASME certification, it demonstrates that they've got capacity in both structural and plate fabrication.
If you're looking for a top-notch fabricator, somebody that is going to deliver on time and have top quality control and parts that are going to fit when they get in the shop in the field, Structural Steel are the people to talk to.
If you're interested in getting a price on any industrial fabrication, big, small, or complex, just give us a call. I can personally help you. We have a staff of estimators that would love to provide a proposal. And we can also come out and help design and do field estimating and field drawing.